Are you struggling with hair fall, thinning hair, or an itchy scalp? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to make a natural remedy using just a few powerful ingredients from your kitchen. Perfect for boosting hair growth, nourishing the roots, and keeping your scalp healthy. For that, first take a fresh aloe vera leaf and dip it into the water for 20 to 30 minutes so the yellowish part is out from the leaf. Then cut the sides and lower upper part and scoop out the gel. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help repair dead skin cells on the scalp. This stimulates dormant hair follicles and promotes faster hair growth. It deeply hydrates dry, brittle hair and acts as a natural conditioner, leaving hair soft, smooth, and shiny without making it greasy. Aloe vera has powerful anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. It helps reduce itchiness, flakiness, and dandruff caused by a dry or irritated scalp. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, aloe vera improves cell turnover, which strengthens hair roots and reduces hair fall. Aloe vera restores the natural pH balance of your scalp, which is essential for healthy hair and preventing fungal infections. Due to its high water content and nutrients, aloe vera helps repair heat-damaged or chemically treated hair, adding life back to dull strands. Now take some onion peels. The nutrients in onion peel help strengthen hair follicles, reducing breakage and making hair stronger from the roots. Add garlic peel. Garlic peel helps remove buildup from chemical shampoos or pollution and keeps the scalp clean and healthy, perfect for long-term hair health. Now add curry leaves. Curry leaves contain vitamin B and other antioxidants that restore the natural pigment, melanin, in your hair, helping to slow down early graying. Add some water and boil it 10 to 15 minutes till the water change the color. Together, these ingredients form a nutrient-rich hair tonic that stimulates hair growth, reduces hair fall, strengthens the roots, soothes itchy or dry scalp, and restores your hair's natural shine and softness. Now strain it. After straining the toner, let it cool down for some time. Now take aloe vera gel and add some that toner which we can make it. This powerful, all-natural remedy combines the goodness of 4 incredible ingredients that work together to nourish your scalp and boost hair growth. Using this hair growth water is simple, quick, and mess-free. Pour the cooled, strained mixture into a clean spray bottle. You can store it in the fridge for up to 5 days to keep it fresh. Shake the bottle well before each use. The natural ingredients settle, so a quick shake ensures even nutrients. Spray directly on your scalp and hair roots. Make sure your scalp is clean and dry for better absorption. Gently massage with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. You can leave it on overnight, then wash it off. Use it 2 to 3 times a week consistently for best results. Tips: always do a patch test the first time to avoid any allergic reaction. If you experience any irritation, dilute with more water or stop use. Like, share, subscribe.